Hello boys and girls, hello mommies and daddies. Welcome to a brand new segment here at Learning with Daddy Henry. And we are going to be cooking Brazilian food with our dear friend Mommy Emy. Thanks again, Amy. Now we are going to celebrate Mother's Day together by cooking a very special Brazilian dish called Coxinhas. One more time, please say Coxinhas. I know it sounds a little funny, but enjoy cooking as a family for Mother's Day.
Hi everyone, my name is Amy. What we're going to do today is a typical Brazilian snacks we can find in actually everywhere in Brazil.
What are we making today?
We are making coxinhas. Coxinhas means little chicken thigh. Now, Emma, can you tell us what we have on the table, please?
We have cheese, onions, bell peppers, and
coriander.
Coriander.
Right? Okay. Lucy, can you tell us what do we have?
Chicken, the breast, and eggs, and flour, and the breadcrumbs.
Yes, and we do have also paprika powder, and also we have a mix of herbs, seasoning, salt, and this is very important, chicken broth. 鸡高汤，我这边已经有把鸡高汤放进去锅子里面了。Now we need to put chicken breast, also, okay,
and the
salt, 2 teaspoons flat of salt.
Lucy, do you want to put in the paprika?
Just put it more. Yeah, keep doing. Yeah, well done. 然后呢，我们加一点香料。To put 1 teaspoon of herbs. Good. Help me to put chicken breast into the pan, please. We need to boil it with chicken broth. Okay, more. Put everything. Put everything inside. Let's just cook it until it's well cooked, and we'll do the next step. Everybody, we now have our chicken breast cooked. It's well done cooked. And now what are you going to do, Emma? Do you know?
We're going to rip it up into strips, like this.
Yes.
Shreds.
We have to wash our hands before touching any food.
We washed our hands twice because we touched the cheese.
Okay.
And ate it.
Oh, did you eat my cheese?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, now we need to shred this chicken breast.大家看一下，这是我们刚刚我们的 Emma 还有 Lucy
peeled the chicken into chicken strips, shredded the chicken, and it was really tiring. Hands ache.
好，我们接下来呢要把我们的内馅先炒好。And now we added some olive oil. We don't need to heat the pan, just put everything. Onion.
Bell pepper. The last thing, what is it called? I forgot again.
Oh, coriander. 香菜。如果不喜欢吃香菜的，可以不用放，你可以放洋葱，洋葱珠，把它切得细细的就可以了。Okay, while I'm stir frying the vegetables, we can keep adding the chicken inside. Lucy, can you help me on this? Now we are adding some chicken broth into it.
To calm it down. The whole thing.
Wow. Oh, we have Jamie Lucy.
This is a lot. This is a lot to handle with.
Do you want me to help you?
Yes.
Okay. the powder is actually coloring all the ingredients we just put in. 好，那我现在这个是我们刚刚煮鸡肉的高汤 （chicken broth）。那我现在会加那个奶油，大概1半吧。
Butter. Wow.
Yes. Now what we need is put the flour into the soup and we keep mixing. Cooking the flour into a dough.
Oh, so it gets molded.
Yes.
So that's just the soup and the flour and start turning into dough.
And later we'll mix mashed potato
And then
together.
we'll make a big round thing and stuff the stuffing in.
Yes. Okay, let me finish this. Emma, what are you holding on your hand?
It's alcohol and
It's edible.
You could
No, it's not for that. It's
yeah, but if I do spray it in my mouth, will I get drunk?
No, you won't. Because it's not that much of alcohol in it. So we are going to use this surface. So we need to sterilize the surface, but with an edible alcohol. Use tissue.
In circles, like that. Yeah, like that.
You need butter, like this.
Oh,
Rub it on the table.
oh, this is fun.
It's fun?
This is fun, like cream. Ah!
Now, I will put the 这个煮好的东西
And then rub it, and then roll it.
Wait, it's kind of hot.
I don't think it's hot.
It is hot. Look at the smoke.
Yeah, it's not hot.
Oh, it's hot, right?
No. A bit hot.
A bit hot. 我们把刚刚煮好的面团要把它揉成很细。
We have to mix the dough with our hands so there's no thick pieces inside.
Emma, what are you doing?
Looking for the bits.
Oh, okay. I thought you were making a Christmas tree. Now,
Make a Christmas tree
now
and
we can
smash
use. We can put our potato inside the dough.
It's annoying.
Okay, I'll let you girls do that.
It's a bit cold. It cooled down, when
but-
we put the potato in. Oh, it's so sticky.
好，我们现在呢，我们的面团已经好了。We already made our dough. Now we need to make it like this shape. Coxinhas, 很像小鸡腿。This is the stuffing we need to put inside. We make it round shape first. And oh, you need cheese as well.
Put in the cheese.
And you put cheese like in the middle
Put a cheese on.
and close it.
And try to put it into like a dumpling thing.
Yes, like a dumpling thing. You have to make sure that you close all your stuffing inside safely. And now look, I'm making round. And in order to make like a tears drop, we have to use our
Oh, my hands are oily.
like this. It is you need it to be oily, otherwise you'll stick in on your hand.
But it's hard to do.
Like this.
Whoa, it's done.
Yes, it's quick
Yeah, but
and it's easy.
This is like harder than a dumpling.
It is it?
A bit harder than a dumpling.
Okay, but you can still make it, right?
Yeah. Now we're putting it into the egg first. We're rolling it and dipping it. And then Lucy is rolling it in the flour. And Amy is rolling it in the breadcrumbs. Then putting it in the oil, but we haven't done that yet. We're very, very busy. We're very, very busy. I thought this was flour. Like, I almost squeezed it. We have no time to talk. We're very, very busy. We're very, very busy.
This is very, very 搞纲. This is very, very 搞纲. Hi everyone. Now that Emma and Lucy helped me to finish our shaping part, now I'm gonna fry them. Okay, frying them now. Let's put into the oil. Thank you for watching this episode of making a Brazilian snack. And now we're gonna have to finish them all. Hope you like the Coxinhas.
Thanks again, Amy. Thanks again to Lucy and Emma for working so hard. It was fun. Thank you for lending us your kitchen. It's wonderful. Now we will be celebrating Mother's Day together, cooking as a family on April 29th on Saturday. There will be 2 activities, one from 10:30 in the morning to noon, and another one from 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 3:30. We'll see you there. Let's celebrate Mother's Day by cooking some Coxinhas. Happy Mother's Day.